Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are doing topic 16-3, organizing data. Okay, so data is just information. It's just a fancy word for information, and there are ways to organize it. And these two things you see are tables. And tables, this is a table, actually, this is a bar graph. So a table is a way to list and organize information, and so is a bar graph.
Look at the table.
So if we look at this table, the title of the table is Cups of Lemonade, and then we list children's names and cups of lemonade. So if this may be something like how many cups of lemonade did they sell? So Leah sold 20, Tino sold 10, Kim sold 50, Neil sold 40.
What information does this table show? This table shows the number of cups of lemonade sold by each child. What is another way to show this information?
Okay, so this is the table. Another way would be a graph of some type. And there are all different types of graphs. We've talked about them before, pictographs, bar graphs. So they're going to show us a bar graph.
You can make a bar graph.
Okay, so basically it's called a bar graph because we color in the number amounts with a bar, what looks like a bar. Okay, so if we look here, Lemonade Sold is the title. The children's names are on this side. And then here, cups of lemonade sold. So each section is worth 10 cups. So we're doing it by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, if you follow where the bar is colored, and for Leah, you slide all the way down, 20 cups. Tino sold 10 cups. Kim sold 50 cups. And Neil sold 40 cups. And that information is the same as in your table.
Let's look at the title of the bar graph. Lemonade Sold. What does the title tell you about the bar graph? The title tells you what the bar graph is about.
Okay, so, and again, it's telling you how many cups of lemonade each child sold.
The labels tell the names of the children and the number of cups of lemonade sold. What information does the bar graph show? The bar graph shows the number of cups of lemonade each child sold. What do the numbers at the bottom of the bar graph show?
Again, this stands for each cup of lemonade sold.
These numbers show the number of cups sold. Looking at the bar graph, how many cups did Neil sell?
Okay, again, if we find Neil's name and we go over to his bar, 40 cups.
Neil sold 40 cups. Now, looking at the table, do the numbers match up?
Yes, they do.
Yes, the numbers do match up. You can use the bar graph to find and compare data. Who sold the most cups?
So to tell that, of course, you can look at the numbers, but you can quickly see that the longest bar would be the most cups. So Kim sold the most cups. The shortest bar would be the least amount of cups, which would be Tino.
Kim sold the most cups. Who sold the fewest cups? Tino sold the fewest cups. Who sold more cups? Tino or Neil?
Okay, again, who sold more cups? You can look at the numbers, 10 or 40, or you can just look at the bars quickly and see Tino's bar is much shorter than Neil's, so Neil sold more cups.
Neil sold more cups than Tino. How do you know Neil sold more cups than Tino?
We can tell by looking at the numbers or the length of the bar.
The bar showing how many cups Neil sold is longer than the bar showing the number of cups Tino sold. You have learned how to organize and compare data in a bar graph.
Okay, boys and girls, so this lesson was obviously a little bit easier than the telling time lessons. Again, I know telling time is difficult. Do your best to keep practicing and watching the videos. This year is really just an introduction to telling time, and you will do more with it next year during third grade. Have a great day.